Okay, so we are live finally. Trying to capture all the things. It's the first live. If it is any kind of issues and all, just sorry for that. Just still trying how to manage all the stuff and all. Still, yeah, learning and growing. That's what the thing. So yeah, that's what it is. We have daily overnight highs, we have overnight lows, but I'm not marking that. It is already showing that it is previous day low, well, and we have previous day high. We'll check how it will be going good or not. We'll see. We will see how it will go. So that's what it is. This is all levels which I pretty much look. It's not looking this a good one. We have pivot points, VWAP, and nothing else. So that's how I trade. Patrick Wieland. If anyone asks me what concept I trade, just go and check in YouTube Patrick Wieland concepts. The only Patrick Wieland concept for NASDAQ. Okay. So yeah, that's all my marked liquidities and all my key levels and all the things that has been marked. Ding ding ding. We have 13-15 minutes still for market to open. Just chilling, looking QQQ shows that we have some sort of gap down. Well, Nvidia is also gap down. Pretty much good. We'll see how it will go. Apple is also showing that some sort of gap down movement. Well, we will see how ES will react on open. So this is the ES chart. By the way, this is CFD chart, not a futures chart. I'm trading currently futures chart, which is in Trade08. You can see here, this is what I'm trade. I'm having all the things already automatically set about my TP and S and all the stuff. We'll see how it will go. Okay. So yeah, here back. Let's see which are the important key levels and all the stuff. We have some news today. We'll see. Look it out how it will be reacting on the news. We have flash manufacturing PMI as well as some exit home sales news. VWAP is above, so we'll look it out how it will be go. Oh, ProfitX official. If you are new, if you don't know what we are doing, just stick to it, watch it like you see the web series. That's what it is. But here, I am not a financial advice. I am not here to give you the advice when to buy, when to sell. This is only for my generaling purpose only. I'm going to record this all the stuff for myself, not a financial advice. Risk your own money on your own. So this is different one. We'll see how it will go. Okay. We have some list of news which is 7:15 flash manufacturing PMI, 7:30 consumer or flash liter or something like that. We'll see how it will react on market. No one knows. So we have some critical levels in NASDAQs, like this is 5-minute chart. We have overnight lows, which is just 15 points down. We have overnight highs, which is all the way up to 130 points. Pretty much good. Daily looks very much huge, big of yesterday candle. Well, 4 hour, kind of taking some sort of corrections, but probably we will be looking for the market, how it will react, and which kind of momentum we can capture. That's what it is. That's how we go, and that's how we trade. Well, we'll see. NASDAQ. We have daily. We have previous day close above at the okay, cool. It's about 130 points as already say. Previous day close. Alright. What you do? What you gonna do? NASDAQ. What you gonna do? Okay. So gap down. We have key levels. We pretty much wait for the 2-minute range to form, and we'll execute trade after that. As you all know, 2-minute range. This is just taking the support of EMAs and just dumping. Look it out. Whenever I will take the trade, I will show you. So don't be worried if anyone asks. So trades. I'm currently not in any kind of trade. I'm currently very flat. Not having any kind of trade today. Account is in drawdown. Still be in patience, learning, improving, as well as trading. Let's go. Okay. Still just waiting for market to open, and we'll react. Chilling. So on Friday we are going to have a big, huge announcement of Fed that we may get a red cut or not. Red cuts maybe happen. No one knows. Yeah. Soon there will be so many peoples, like as already so many members will going to join this live stream. You will be enjoying that. That's what we are trying to do. This is actually not my trading view access, so according to my trading view we are having some different charts and different all the stuff. Woohoo. Account on 500 futures account is still live. We are in drawdown. We are trying to get some drawdown. We are trying to make some money. We'll look it out. That's part of game. We will see. Look at how we will manage that account, and we'll bring back account to the profits. Yeah, that's what it is. No. Currently this is not on my chart, so just trying to make it looking very good, so I can come to know which kind of level it is which I have drawn. That's what it is. That's how I mark these levels, which I look very like, which I like it. I can get the points. Let me just update this one also. Okay, NASDAQ, we have still 10 minutes to market open. Actually, account, if someone asks whatever kind, which kind of, when you can take the payout, so good question. The thing is that I need to make, I need to be consistent and reach my account at least $3,000 to get my payout, so I can have at least some buffer to maintain, and also to something like that. So it will be $3,000 if we calculate from now. We can make it one trade 25-30 points, just chilling. That is enough for us, isn't it? It is. Hey, let's see gold. Wow, gold, very good. Goldy girl. Gold is not looking pretty much hot. As I already say, I don't like this daily range which is stuck. I just hate this chop which is like playing around this from April. I don't like it. Just chilling. No trades for gold. I am going to trade if it breaks at least some levels for me. Maybe like this strong resistance above, or maybe we'll see. But as per this bullish momentum and all the stuff, I will like if gold give us the clean move, breakout, retest at this zone, and we can continue above for a long position. That's how we will go for gold. Focus on NASDAQ futures market. We can at least wait for a 15 minute because we have some news of something PMI and all the stuff, but we can wait for that before a trade, and we can also trade on 2 minute range breakout. So that's what it is. We can wait for it. Just showing. For second payout, I am going to take the same amount of money as a payout, which is $1,200. Because it's we are having some sort of restriction on my funded futures account, where we can only take payout of $1,200 only at a time, because it's a static. I don't even know. I don't even remember which kind of account it is. I'm still holding this account for like few months, so it may be as you know. So we're looking for this level, how this level will react if this is taking this is like taking some sort of support down here. If this level is broke, let me take a line. If this level breaks, we will be having some clean momentum to this liquidity and maybe daily lows. We're looking for it. How will it go? Okay. Still 7 minutes to market open. Just chilling. Just chill. Wow. If people want to see my trades, don't worry, I will show my trades. That's what it is. Need such I think I will be like add some sort of music to stream maybe from tomorrow. Like it's the first day. If any kind of mistakes or just sorry for that. Again, this is not a financial advice or any kind of. I am just doing this for my general purpose, and it's only for education purpose only. Risk your money on your own risk. Wow, we have pivot above, we have daily close over, so we have so many things stuff. If you are new, looking to my stream, watching my streams, and you like to like, you can. It's a free to like, free to subscribe. We still have 5 minutes to market open. What you can do, you can just simply do like or subscribe this video or live stream, nothing else. We are just sitting flat, right? That's what it is. Maybe it may spike up to this previous level and we can show some, we can. This is 5-minute chart, but I execute trades in 2-minute chart as well as in 1-minute chart. So that's it is chilling. We have news. So currently in US we are having market open on 9:30. So according to the time difference in India at 7 p.m. we have 9:30 US timing when really market is open. Okay, so that's how we go. So if you are watching the stream or you are from India, probably the 7 p.m. is the market opening time of US. So that's why I'm trading at 7 p.m. Okay. Okay, market is taking some sort of correction, going up. We'll see how to react on this. Oh, yesterday candle was a crazy. It just dropped. 400 points on open. So that's what it is. So FOMC, we have FOMC next month, which is September. Pretty much looking like we have some sort of rate cut by Fed and all news and all. But we'll see. It may they are going to cut the rates or not. No one knows. Still, we have 3 minutes chilling. Be patient. We have to wait for market to open. We'll look it out. It's 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Patience. Just patience. Just wait. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill. If it started breaking down, it will be the good. It shouldn't be holding this level, as I already show, which is 126, 120 area. It should be breaking that for a best to control the market. And if it's just hold it and push it, we will having some sort of good reaction for the buyers. Buyers will be kicking in. We'll say, look it out. So yes, kind of same structure as NASDAQ, but yes, already taking the support. We'll see how this will go. 30 seconds for market open. Be ready. Hold your trigger. Hold your trigger 30 seconds. Be patient. No, don't just rush it. This type of trading days where we don't know where market may spike and just make you fake out. So be aware of fake outs. Always be aware of fake outs. Correct? 10 seconds and we will wait for 2 minute candle close for 2 minute range. Okay, market is open. Ding 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 ding. Market is open for the business. Market is open. ES started pushing. Well, Nvidia started pushing. QQQ stuck at the pivot. And alright, just pulling back, holding it. If this 200 level break, it will be the good sell level. Alright, may shorts can kick in this level, 200 level. If it breaks, we have a clean move downside. Right? No rush. Wait for a 2 minute range to form and we will react on it. How to trade after that. Okay. At the previous resistance, or we can say the level where it was started dumping. Now, will it break it or not? $1 million question. Right? We need to see 2 minute closing, or it's look like a fake out ripper, but it should be holding this down so we can go for sell trade, sell opportunity. But if it is not holding it, forget about sell. Forget about sell. Nvidia pushing above, so this might candle may flip, and no one knows. Holding it. We have news in 15 minutes, so pretty much this can chop around here, right? If this just chop it around here for news for 15 minutes, and we can get movement after 15 minutes, so we can wait for it. We stuck at the EMAs, but we'll see. Need to see the break below. ES's move is down. Nvidia started pulling back, started pulling down. It look like a good momentum to strike. We need to see this 2 minute candle. If it breaks below 200 level, we will grab some sort of good sell opportunity. We'll see. Watching. Still in the 2 minute range. If what I means about 2 minute range is this 2 minute candle where, so you can see this 2 minute candle. If this 2 minute candle holds and break above, it may be the buys, or if it breaks down, and obviously buy. Let's see. Okay, should we get along here? Because QQQ flipped, Nvidia started pushing. Okay, breaking above, I'm
Order filled.
buy. It's a good strength. It's a full candle. It just flipped back up. Okay, so up to 25 points. I will not going to feel much more good, or we can say chase it much more. Only 25 points. We need just 25 points. We'll see. Look it out. This is 2-minute chart, by the way. It's a break of 2-minute range, and that's how I trade on the opening market of NASDAQ. I'm late in this long. This may be the swipe of the above, and no one knows. No one knows. No one knows. No one knows. Yes, NASDAQ started taking pullback. This may be the fake out, and no one knows. Still giving it some sort of room to play out, and I might get stopped out. Why? QQQ, and I got SL. So first stream SL. Wow. So we have just one trade away to blow this account, and still holding this level. Stick to the plan, trade accordingly. We was targeting for 25 points, which is overnight highs, as I already marked above here. So yeah, first trade of the stream, good SL. It just swiped the 2-minute and started ripping down. This could be the fake out, and no clear momentum, no clean breakout. Is this a joke? Is this a joke? No, this is what market is. Started pulling back down. So took out the highs of the 2-minute and stuck at the range, middle of the range. Nvidia still popping up, and QQQ started pushing up. This could be the fake out, and I could be looking for a long again for here. But as I say, my first trade was SL. I'm not going to go for another trade as we are not having a good drawdown. But this may be a good setup for buys, right? And we can see it can easily go up to 90s and 300 level, which is 50 points. Building some sort of bull flag setup here. Market is chopping right now, and it wants 15-minute. It wants some sort of news to let move the market, which is after 15 minutes, which is in 10 minutes, next 10 minutes. We'll see. ES started pushing up, QQQ started pushing up, Nvidia started pushing up. So that's the thing, like took my SL, started ripping up, and it can repeat higher. It can go 50 points easily. Who knows? We'll see. Stuck at the high of that candle. But that's what it is. I can grab this second long over here on the EMA rejection, and again the break of the 2-minute candle, or good bull flag in 1 minute. But my account is in drawdown. Why NASDAQ? Why doing this? Why? See, started ripping higher. That's the thing. No, yeah, first break always fake out. Just fake out me, just chop for 3 candles and right back up. Should be waiting for the pullback of EMA, but who knows? It was like a clean ripper up side, but no momentum kicks in, no bias kicks in, and I just got stop out. And overnight highs is at above 320. Oh, this can easily be grab up to this owner highs easily. This can easily take this owner highs. It's already started breaking higher. 5-minute range is also break. We are at the VWAP, so VWAP may cause some sort of issue for us. Well, you can see this VWAP. VWAP trouble, VWAP trouble. So that's how we just got chopped out. That's how we just go rip ourselves. Market is having now clean moves. It started strong, breaking the 2-minute high very strong. That's why I go for a long. I wanted to be continue movement, but no movement. That's what it is. That's what it is. That's how NASDAQ do. You know, that's how NASDAQ do. That's how NASDAQ do. NVIDIA VWAP. It's stuck at this pivot. This can easily go rip at 9, and we have some news in just 5-6 minutes. I'll say 5 minutes. Yes, it's like still chopped. It is not in movement. It's just started chopping for a while. Can also have some sort of issue because of yesterday's drop. Yesterday market just dropped 400 points on the open. You can see this candle. Wow, it was a crazy move, and my sell was it above here, but just give me the break even, and what it is. That's what it is. Stuck at the VWAP, PVAT, all the stuff. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I took one trade on a market open 2-minute range breakout, and I got small SL. That's it. It just started making nothing. See, that's so what I took the trade today. I took the trade on 2-minute range breakout for overnight highs. Well, I got stopped out, and market is still playing at my entry. Still EMAs is holding right now. So NVIDIA started. All the things are still holding right now. We'll see how to goes in this market. But currently I am not going to trade today anymore, as that's how you actually trade, and that's how you actually learn, right? One trade a day keeps doctor away. Choking. Okay, so NASDAQ is looking like no clean direction. Still, I think this can be started moving after this news, which is after 2 minutes. If you want to see the opportunities, it's all yours. First day, first streaming day, took the first SL and calling the day. No more trades because it didn't look as much as I wanted to, and so that's what it is. Yeah, stuck here. If it's going to start it from here, it may be a clean. Still holding here, this level. Here is the EMAs and all. Am I right? Correct. If anyone asks me which EMA I use, it's 21 EMA which I use. Well, still EMA is holding here. We have VWAP above, we have PWAP point here. We'll see if this started breaking higher from there. We can have a clean long move. See, we have Nvidia holding up, QQQ holding up, ES is holding up. So we can have this sort of long setups over here, and that's it. This can start ripping up here. We have just news in 1 minute, but we'll see. If anyone's still joining right now, want to grab long, we can take this as a TP SL below this level. 17 points risking to make 26 points. That's what I actually trade, correct? So that's what it is. Took one SL today. Trade recap, took one SL, small SL today on the break of 2 minute range. It's just 15 point SL as always, right? I'm not risking more. This is the risky trade. If this EMA breaks down, you can see it can started dripping down because VWAP is hold. We have PWAP, we have news in just 15 seconds. This can like having a stuck. So if this break this EMAs, just okay. We have the news. We have no clean momentum of news also. No movement for news. Wow. One of those days when you just need to be sit aside. Just sit aside. Okay. So now EMA started breaking down. News come out. Both the news were positive. So this may go and started breaking the 2 minute range. Well, actually this is not my trading view, so I'm just finding some my favorites, but yeah, that's what it is. This was the 2 minute range, and now we got 15 minute range. So let me just mark 15 minute range only. So we have this 15 minute range. It started breaking down, but as I say, we can write this easily. We can write this easily. If it started breaking down 15 minute range, but at this point they should be doing something, right? They should be doing something. Okay, 15 minutes it started breaking. Wow, what clean momentum after this. This 2 minute range, 15 minutes just broke out. This could be the potential sell opportunity. Yeah, we can go to risk 23 points to make 50 points easily. Not a huge reaction, but still, let's see how this momentum will ride. How this momentum can be right. SL started dumping ES started dumping, QQQ started dumping, Nvidia started dumping, so NASDAQ should started dumping here. NASDAQ should started dumping here, right? So we'll see. If this flipped up and hit the SL, just call it. Wow. So this is the day, this is the job. That's how you watch market moves. Sometimes it's just stay away market. That's why I didn't took much more trade, and I just closed it. This is all I just marked here. No trades, right? I took one SL or 15 points. That's how I didn't took this type of many trades, too many trades, and still see how it is ripping higher. So this is the day where you have to be patient and chilling. If possible, just don't trade. If possible, just don't trade right now. Just let it wait to do something. See this 50-minute candles. Wow. Still this We can say this liquidity has been taken. A strong move back up here from Vicky Vick, and now started again. A real move begins right here, but I don't think we can go much more right now right here. If it started breaking up, yeah, it will start. Why to be do? This was my actual trade which I took on 2-minute time frame, where took the 2-minute range break as per my strategy, and got my SL 15 points SL. That's it. It was early entry. Yep, early entry. Still looking. He's stuck. It's stuck at EMA again. 21 EMA is stuck at EMAs again. Wow. You can just see this 15-minute candle. See how this 15-minute candle flip. So this may rip higher, as Nvidia is still showing some strong momentum. QQQ is showing some strong momentum. Well, ES started flipping. See the flip of ES. Wow. If this could the trade, if anyone asks me the trade, this could be this momentum. If this slowdowns, then it is not a move. It's take the liquidity, it's trap buyers, it's trap sellers, and now this may continue move above. Correct? So this is 5-minute chart. If you want to take a trade, SL as 1 minute, and EMA SL 26 point SL, 23 point SL. No clean direction today. No clean direction today. If you are still watching, if you are still wanted to learn how to trade, how to make money, then you can subscribe and like. Okay, so Nvidia started taking support of this trend line. QQQ looks like the same structure. Started stacking again. And welcome to the chop world. That's how you don't trade. Just wait this job to do something. Yeah, this is a market where sellers get figured out, buyers get figured out, and they all are just chilling. Take the money from the buyers and sellers both. This is the job. This is the barcode chart. How could anyone can make money? If you are a range trader, you can, but I'm not a range trader. I will try to look it out how to. I will adjust for some sort of strategy. I will adjust how to make this range market be very easy to trade, and yeah, that's what it. We have to change. We have to pick our own. We have to be changing as per the market. So this is the trade. This is the. I don't like it. I don't like this market right now. No clean movement. Market is going nowhere quickly. So what you can do is just fold your hands and sit. And sit quiet, be patient, just sit. Why to trade right now? Analyzing gold. Okay, wow. As I said, gold is in a huge range right now with a strong resistance above. Still look like this type of structure following this trend line. If we need some sort of good buyers and break this zone for a long term, and if you are a scalper, if you want to scalp gold, some sort of small scalps. Okay, look at how Nvidia started dumping again. Wow, started dumping again. See, So this is the point. That's how I avoid trading, because if it wants to do move, it can be continue go. Okay, so let's analyze the gold. We are analyzing the gold. Wow, are we having a gap in gold? I don't know about you, but I'm able to see the gap in my gold chart right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, we are not having any kind of gap. This was a broker issue. Let's see. So this is the gold chart. As I say, for a long term, you need to be wait for this range to break some side. 4 hours, now it's looking clean. We have some sort of news, a small news, so be aware if you are trading right now. And 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour is looking like making higher highs, higher lows. Technically, 15-minute. What to say in this market? Like, how to trade in this market? Okay, so gold. If you are looking for any kind of gold setup to trade gold, what should I suggest you in this market? See how it is moving right now. Technically, if we see hourly candle, it started flipping down, making these lows and lows and all. Technically, be patient, you will get some setups, but in this type of market, I don't like see these candles and how it is making the move and all. See, let me add pivot. How pivots are looking in gold. Not this pivot. Pivot standard. Pivot point standard. Okay, so this is currently rejecting from the pivot point right now. So if it started breaking this pivot point and this support, previous support, then you might look for short. Not right here, but should be waiting for this market to break this pivot point, this previous low. If this break this low strong and started pulling back, started rejecting from this pivot, you can target this previous liquidity, or we can say previous low for sells. But this should be having a good selling breakdown, you know, breakdown. Yes, NASDAQ started chopping around, started breaking 15-minute range again. So I am calling this NASDAQ an ESD, not clean move, because as you know, I only trade 1 hour, opening 1 hour of market, US market. So opening 1 hour, if it's not clean, just call it a day. Yes, the NASDAQ started breaking down, but it's, yeah, if it breaks the strong, you might go for this pivot, or we can say overnight lows. We are not having some, yeah, you can type for this daily low. Again it started breaking down. If anyone wants to trade gold is currently sitting at the pivot point. If this pivot point is not break downside, then you can go to look for a long side. Again, I am a scalper. I am not going to target huge and high pips, but if it's hold this pivot, you can possibly see some sort of buy. And if you really want to see some good selling, you need to be wait for this previous support to be break strong and have some sort of retest on this pivot. So this could be the possibly short entry on this retest up to this previous low. That's what I'm looking for. Gold, and if it is not breaking down, then you probably need to wait. But yeah, that's what it is. NASDAQ sitting at the 50-minute range low, no clean breakout at any side. Just chop barcode chart. If you want to see the finance, like any kind of news events, you can go for Forex. You can check it out which kind of US economic data we have. Okay. Again, if you ask me which kind of strategy I use, I am trading price action, and personally for NASDAQ I am trading only and only one thing, which is PW concept, Patrick Whelan concept. If you know or don't know Patrick Whelan, you can go in YouTube, check it out, who is Patrick Whelan. I am trading Patrick Whelan concepts. No ICT, no Furus, no nothing else, only Patrick Whelan concepts. Bull flag, bear flag. That's how market goes. Market always goes in waves. Started making wave, you just need to enter the wave and accept it. So in 1 minute chart, gold is building some sort of bear flag. Okay. Okay, that's what it is. If you are a scalper and wanted to see some sort of move and capture 15-20 pips, you might catch it. Okay, we have some 1 hour closing. Now bottom wick. Here is the news also. Okay, clean. So NASDAQ started breaking 15-minute range lower downtown. So this could be the daily low setup up to I can't be say it could be drop 100 points now, because it's still looking a very choppiness right here right now. So probably we see, I'm not going to trade anymore today, as I already took one trade. I got SL and just calling the day. That's how we trade. See the chop. See the chop. Stuck here. This is stuck here. Market is not going anywhere. NASDAQ. What about gold? Gold is started pushing higher. If you are looking for a quick scalping move, you can go for longs at this break. Already break. SL 30 pips. TP 30 pips. Yeah, no, it's not a clean good trade. Need to be some pullback. Need to see some pullback, but no. Still holding this, as I say, holding this pivot. If this is still holding, don't go for short. That's it. What I advise. Don't go for short. If you see some sort of pullback, good entries, potentials, just go long. And NASDAQ, wow, right back again. Who can say how to trade this? If you are trading this and you are making money, probably you are not trading, you are gambling. Because you see here, no clean breakout, no clean move, only chop from the open. So we are still at the opening point of market, and it's been a 30 minutes. Market is not moving anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Wow, see the momentum. Just fake outs. Yes, started pushing higher. So this way can take 15-minute range break, but the thing is, if you are looking for longs in NASDAQ, wait for break, pull back, trade. No clean setups. Okay, so stream is going to be end in few minutes. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask. Right now, right here. Right now, right here. Right now, right here, right now, right here. Gold just faked out from here, started breaking. This is the setup which I probably looks if it breaks below, but as I already say, we have this support down here. If you are looking for a short, just wait. You will got entry, it will be clean entry. You can make money on this short if it break this support. See, it's a strong one. But as a scalping point of view, don't risk more. And if you can able to capture 30-50 points, just call it. Why am I trading this? Just one of those days. Yes, QQQ, NVIDIA. Shit, man. Now it started breaking 50-minute range high soon. Right back up, right back down, right back up, right back down. That's how it goes today. Okay, so in 3 minutes I'm going to end the stream. If you are new, if you are watching, you can like, you can subscribe. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Gold started chopping around. If it started, see the trend line. I just drew this trend line and it's just following this trend line. This is gold chart, by the way. NASDAQ stuck at this pivot in the chop market. Yes, it's trying to break the levels, but we'll see. Do something. Yes, NVIDIA started breaking the highs. And yeah, it can break it. And gold started taking support from the trend line, not able to break this support. So just wait, chill, do nothing. As I already say, if you are long in this, previously I just said something about long in this. You can go, target is 47 and it's just 30-40 points. You can grab it, but whatever. Okay, market is stuck. NASDAQ, no clean move, still chopping around. Yes, still chopping around. Gold started moving, but not a clean day for gold. Also, you started making lower lows, lower highs, higher high, higher lows. But so if you are a trader looking for any kind of scalping moves, just wait, be patient. These are the days when you need to be patient, because tomorrow we are having a good huge news from Fed chair. So again, this is not a financial advice. You can risk your money on your own risk. Risk your money at your own risk. Wow. 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 Do nothing, do nothing, do nothing. If probably I am trading this, I could be chopped out, and that's what happened me these weeks. No worries. So I'm down 15 points on NASDAQ. Took one trade, didn't work out, and calling the day on this chop market. If you know, if you learn, if you want to trade, you can join ProfitX. You can join ProfitX. Okay, so stay tuned tomorrow, same time, same day, same trades. Meet you tomorrow. Meet you tomorrow. Meet you tomorrow.